Alright, so it's just a quick video. I was on my way to work, driving. Once I got almost out my neighborhood, I seen an alert on my dash and saying I had low tire pressure. So basically, I got a flat tire. I don't know how this shit happened. So if you got one of these, if you got a Scatpack, it don't come with the spare tire. It comes with the air pump that you see right here. So it's going to show you how to use it, just in case you don't know, because I almost used this the wrong way. Well, not the wrong way, but not the way I want to use it right now. So basically, this is the air pump. It comes with the cord that you will plug in your 12-volt part cigarette lighter right here. So that goes in right there, and you can unwrap it so it reaches to any tire on the car. It's a pretty long cord. Now it has two hoses. One hose is for air, and the other hose has sealant in it, so you can fill the tire like if it was a blowout and you had a hole. You can fill it with this stuff. That way you can drive the car around until where you need to get. Because I don't know what's wrong with my tire right now, I'm just gonna pump it up with air just enough to get to a tire shop. But this blue hose, you want to save that to where if you far out and you got a real bad blowout on your tire, you can use this to fill it. That way you can drive far. Also, right here at the bottom, let me flip this over, it has this adapter right here. So it's a needle piece and then another piece right here. I don't know, this piece is probably for the red piece. I don't know what it's for, but here go a picture of it right here. I know the needle obviously, so you want to pump a basketball or football up or whatever. And this one, I don't know what that's for, but like I said, it got these two adapter pieces, so it's not just for tires. You can pump up basketballs, footballs and shit. So you just want to screw this gold piece. The gold piece screws in. Like I said, make sure you're using black hose for air. This blue cord is mainly for filling the tire with the stuff that's in here. And it's mainly a one-time use. And once you peel this sticker off to put on your dash to make sure you don't go over the speed limit when you're riding on a flat tire. So when you turn this on, you want to put this to what side you're using. This is for the blue hose. This is for just the regular air. So you want to just twist this. Make sure you're watching this PSI so you don't put too much air in your tire. And that's pretty much it. So once you hit this button, so yeah, I just inflated it to 32 just to kind of see how long it's gonna last. That's enough to get the light off. I have to fucking hear the air coming out right now, so it's not gonna last too long. I'm just pumping it up just to drive to the store that I'm going to. So hopefully, I'm actually just gonna overfill. You're supposed to fill it up to 32, but I'm gonna put it over that because I have to hear the air coming out, and the place is right up the street. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm just showing y'all how to use this. Just a quick little video.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting rich.